नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, my dear kids, in last class we started on new lesson, isn't it? Like another language, Hindi, like ब्रज भाषा में लिखा हुआ एक पाठ हमने पढ़ा. Today we are going to continue this lesson. Okay, we were learned about the friendship of Sudama and Sri Krishna, right? Two paras we learned. Because I am not taking fully means because it's difficult to learn, so that only I am taking little. Okay, my dear kids. So today we are going to continue the third para. I'll take your textbook and write on the third para. Up of it you write today's date 15/2/2021 Somawar. Write on the up of it. Okay, I am going to read. Listen carefully. कछु बाबी हमको दियो सो तुम काहे न देत, छांबी पोटरी काख में रहे कहो के ही हेतु. कछु बाबी हमको दियो सो तुम काहे न देत, चांबी पोटरी खाक में रह कहो कोई. Sudama is coming to Sri Krishna's palace, and by seeing Sudama, Sri Krishna felt so sad that his condition is very bad and he has no nice dress. He's not having chappal. Because of not wearing chappal, his legs and all, his heels and all became damaged. So after that he is asking to Sudama that भाभी ने दिया है कुछ हमारे लिए, सो तुम हमें क्यों नहीं देते हो. कच्चू भाभी हमको दियो, भाभी ने कुछ हमारे लिए दिया है, सो तुम काहे न दे, वाई यू आर नॉट गिविंग टू मी. Babi means Sudama's wife. Sri Krishna is calling Sudama's wife as Babi. Babi means sister-in-law. So he is telling, my sister-in-law has sent something to you for me. Why you are not giving to me that one? Chambi potri kaak mein. You are keeping something in your potri, in your that one bag he was keeping. That bag you are keeping something. रहे कहो के ही हो दो. वाई यू आर नॉट, तो तुम किस लिए रखा हुआ है. वाई यू आर कीपिंग दैट विथ यू. चांबी पोटरी काख में, यू काख में पोटरी रखा हुआ है, वो तुम किस लिए रखा हुआ है. वाई यू आर कीपिंग विथ यू. वाई यू आर नॉट गिविंग टू मी. वाई वॉट माई सिस्टर ला हैज़ गिवन टू मी. आगे चना गुरुमात दये ते, लाए तुम चाबी हमें नहीं दीने. साम कहियो मुस्काई सुदामा सो, चोरी की बान में हो जो प्रिवीने. Chambi potri kaak mein. They were telling about the previous things and all. Aage chana guru mat daye the. Means before and all Guru Mata will give chane and all for us. That time tum akele hi chabaya tha. You are eating that alone. You say मुझे नहीं देते थे. तुम चाबी हमें नहीं दीने. You are not giving to me that time. Whatever our Guru Mata has given. Guru Mata means that Guru... they were staying in one place and learning something. Now that only there they used to give some food and all. So to, that time and all, it was not school and all. It was like the where the teacher is staying, there the students have to go and stay. Gurukul education was there that time. So that time their Guru Mata was used to give some food, and this Sudama only was eating that one alone. So Sri Krishna is telling that when our Guru Mata was giving food, that time also you were eating alone only. You are not giving to me. साम कहियो मुस्काई सुदामा सो. सुदामा मुस्कुराकर सुदामा से कहता है, मुस्कुराकर by smiling he is telling to Sudama. चोरी की बाण में हो जो प्रवीण है. तुम चोरी करने में पहले से भी प्रवीण हो, चतुर हो. You are before itself you are very clever in doing theft and all. You are doing stealing, and you know to steal from when even. You are very clever in stealing and all, isn't it? Because he not stealing more. Okay, this one like eating, not giving to anyone, that and all only. So when you were small also you are doing the same. You are not giving anything to me. Now my sister-in-law has sent something to you, that even you are not giving to me. Like that Sri Krishna is telling to Sudama. पोटरी काख में चांबी रहे तुम, खोलत नाही सुदास रस फीने. पाचिली बानी अजो न तजो तुम, तैसे ही फाबीखे तंदुल कीन हो. ऐसे ही ठीक उसी प्रकार तुमने पोटरी को भी खांग में दबा के रखे हुए हो. लाइक दैट ओनली यू आर potri khang mein chambi rahe. Like that the same you are keeping the potri that bag also you are keeping with you now also the same. and खोलते भी नहीं, खोलत नहीं, you are खोलता, you are not opening it. सुधा रस भवन, अमृत के समान दाने को तुम खोलते नहीं. It was smelling like honey, it was smelling like honey, but you are not giving to me. Why are you keeping with you? पांचली बानी अजो नद चोम, अभी तक तुम्हारी वो पुरानी आदत नहीं गई है. स्टिल यू आर नॉट कीपिंग, यू आर दैट बिहेवियर डिडंट फिनिश, स्टिल यू आर यूजिंग द सेम बिहेवियर. तैसे ही भाभी के तंदुल हीन, तैसे ही वैसे ही भाभी के चावल कीन है, वैसे ही भाभी के दिए चावल को तो छुपा रहे हो. यू आर कीपिंग द राइस व्हाट द स्नैक्स व्हाट द माई सिस्टरला हैज़ गिवन, दैट ऑल्सो यू आर कीपिंग. यू आर हाइडिंग फ्रॉम मी. You are that hiding mentality still didn't over, still you are keeping that. Why you are not giving that what my sister-in-law has given? Because Sudama, what means Sudama, by seeing the facility what the Sri Krishna is living, and all, by seeing that Sudama is hesitated to give the food because it is he was keeping it in a dirty cloth and all. He is not having proper clothes, so it was tied in a cloth, that chawal, that so he was not willing to give that one because he felt so ashamed to give that one. But the Sri Krishna is funny, he was telling that you are keep hiding and keeping that one, you are not giving to me. And when small also you are still you are like that only, you are not giving anything to me like that, you are still now also you are doing the same, like that they are telling. Then वह पुलगनी वह ऊटी मिलनी, वह आदर की बात, वह पडवनी गोपाल की कचुन जानी जात. कहा भयो जो अब भयो हरी को राज तमाज, खर खर कर ओढ़त फिरे तनक दही के काज. हो आवत नहीं दो वाही. If I am telling word by word means it will be difficult for you. वाही पटियो डेली, अब कही हैं सुमचाई कई, बहुधन दरो सकेले. I will say the full meaning, okay? If I am saying the word by word, it's boring for you. See, जब कृष्ण के यहाँ पहुँचे तो तब तो इन्होंने बड़ी प्रसन्नता दिखाई थी. Means when Sri Krishna has welcomed him, he felt so happy by seeing that Sri Krishna now still he is remembering me. He is now a rich person, right? He's a king of Dwaraka. So that time even he is remembering that Sudama is the friend. So by seeing that, Sudama felt so happy. वे उड़ाकर गले मिले थे. ही वॉज हगिंग ऑल्सो, राइट? वेन ही रीच्ड ही वॉज हगिंग ऑल्सो. पर विदाई के अवसर पर इस तरह खाली हाथ भिजवाने की बात सुदामा को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहे थे. व्हाट मीन्स ही when Sudama came that time, Sri Krishna ran and came and he hugged him, isn't it? He felt so happy also, but by seeing his condition he felt sad also. But after that what happening, when Sudama returned from there, so Sri Krishna didn't give anything to him. So why he is doing like that he is telling. वास्तव में कृष्ण ने सुदामा को उनके 2 मुट्ठी चावल खाते ही 2 लोगों की धन दौलत दे डाली थी, जिससे सुदामा बिल्कुल अनजान थे. But Sri Krishna is a god also, right? So when Sudama has given the food what his wife has given, that time itself Sri Krishna has given the double of it to his home, sent to his home. But Sudama don't know that, because Sri Krishna, by sitting, he is a god, so he can do whatever he needs by sitting in a one place itself, isn't it? So सुदामा कृष्ण के बचपन को याद कर सोचते हैं कि यह वही कृष्ण है जो थोड़ी सी मांगने के लिए घर घर हाथ फैलाया करता था. भला वह उन्हें क्या देंगे. सुदामा तो पहले ही से माखन चोर कृष्णन को जानते थे, पर उसकी पत्नी ने ही उन्हें जिद्द करके यहाँ भेजा था. मीन्स व्हेन ही वाज स्मॉल एंड ऑल, इवन सुदामा, श्री कृष्ण व्हाट ही यूज्ड टू डू, he likes makhan, right? He likes that butter. So for eating that one, he was going everywhere and begging to give the makhan for everyone. So that Krishna came this much big position and all. So how he will give for me and all. So I know that he won't give, but my wife didn't allow me to, because Sudama's wife only compelled him to go to Sri Krishna and ask some economic facility or financial help he needs. because he became so poor. So his wife only told, your friend Sri Krishna is there, na, you go and ask something like that. But Sudama is not asking by his mouth. He is he's a Brahmin. He never ask, he never beg. So he didn't ask anything. But Sri Krishna has given something. Sudama don't know that. When he reached, still he don't know. Reached the home, still Sudama don't know that Sri Krishna has given already. But he is thinking that Sri Krishna is not giving anything. Why he is doing like that? I know he won't do like that. But my wife only was not allowing. She only compelled me. Sudama बहुत नाराज थे. Sudama became so angry and सोच रहे थे कि अब जाकर वे पत्नी से कहेंगे कि बहुत धन मिल गया, अब इसे संभाल कर रखो. I will go and tell to my wife that more Krishna has given, you keep it with you, like that. Simply I am going to tell, I am going. He was very sad on that. वे यहाँ आना नहीं चाहते थे. सुदामा doesn't like to go there. अब हालत यह थी कि जो चावल वे मांग कर ले आए थे, वक़फ़ी कृष्ण ने, that चावल only was there with him to eat. That also he got from somebody else to eat. That also he has given to Sri Krishna. Now nothing is there. I have came khali hath means empty hand only I came back. What I will do? So Sri Krishna has given nothing now. So Sudama felt so sad. That is only explained in this para. Why he is not giving anything like that and all. So but he has given already. That after reaching home only he will understand. That we will study in the next class. Okay, my dear kids, read the lesson. Okay, word by word meanings don't want. You read the lesson. Read the lesson and understand whatever ma'am has told. That you understand. That story is important. You read that one. Okay, this language and all, it is not going to follow. We are not going to follow and all. But you want to know now. This language also is there in Hindi. So I took this lesson. Okay, so read the lesson. Okay, ma, read it. Then only you will improve your Hindi knowledge. Okay, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.